If your Instagram ad account is restricted, follow the steps to resolve the issue. First of all, you need to find out why your account is restricted. For that, you need to log into Facebook Business Manager. And once you're there, you need to visit Account Quality. You can go to www.facebook.com/account quality to identify the reason for the restriction. You can view the status of your account by visiting the Business Support home on your computer. And if you think the restriction is an error, you need to go to Account Quality and request a review. Then provide the necessary information and wait for a response from Facebook. And ensure that your ads follow the Instagram and Facebook ad policies. The common issues may include misleading content, forbidden products like tobacco and weapons, and inappropriate images. Navigate to billing in Facebook Business Manager. For that, click on All Tools, go to Billing and Payments, and pay off any overdue balances. After that, go back, click on the settings icon from the bottom left corner of this screen, and then click on Business Portfolio Info on the top. Start verification and provide the required documents for it. You can also appeal through the Instagram app. For that, open your Instagram application. Tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner of this screen, and then click on the 3 horizontal lines in the top right. Scroll down and go to Help. Click on Report a Problem, and then follow the on-screen instructions to describe your issue and submit it. So account reviews usually take a few days. Keep an eye out for your account quality page for updates. So if the restriction continues after following these steps, consider reaching out to Meta support with the Help Center directly. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe.